In the autumn or early spring, you start preparing the soil and do a first application of fertilizer for your crop. You will receive recommendations with the fertilizer manager of Eurofins Agro. What happens in the soil during the growing season is difficult to predict. It will depend on the temperature, the amount of precipitation, how well the soil supplies nutrients, and the amount of nutrients released from the manure, all uncertainties during cultivation. That is why you want to keep an eye on the situation during the growing season. Soil Crop Monitor of Eurofins Agro is the tool for that. Soil Crop Monitor is the double check. We measure what is present in the soil and what has been absorbed by the crop. With the soil analysis, you check the quantities of the main and trace elements that are immediately available in the soil. With the crop analysis, you check whether your plants have absorbed enough nutrients from the soil. The combination of soil and crop analysis often proves its worth. It may happen that the crop absorbs too little of a particular nutrient, while the soil supply is sufficient. This can be the case when, for example, the intake is hampered by a shortage of another nutrient. In this way, a nitrate deficiency in the soil can impede the absorption of potassium, despite a good level of plant available potassium in the soil. With the double check of soil and crop analysis, you can make such connections much faster. You can thus adjust your fertilization more accurately and faster. Only 2 days after the samples have arrived at Eurofins Agro, you will receive the analysis report with fertilization recommendations for both the main and trace elements. The purpose of the Soil Crop Monitor is to provide insight during cultivation into if and how much the fertilization has to be adjusted during cultivation to achieve optimum crop quality and yield.